Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another wash day routine. This is my last and final wash day of 2020 and I was so excited to film and show you guys because I got my hands on some products. I got my hands on new products and I wanted to show you guys what I got. So I intentionally didn't comb my hair out before I started washing because my hair is so dry and I didn't want to comb my hair to avoid breaking my hair. So that's why I'm just going in to wash my hair directly. And please excuse my voice, I am currently sick and that's why my voice is sounding like this. So first I'm going to go ahead and wet my hair properly and then I'll go in with my hair shampoo. I got a moisturizing hair shampoo and this product that I use today is a very underrated product and it's called the Nature's Gentle Touch. I bought their moisturizing shampoo and I must say this was really moisturizing indeed. I needed a moisturizing shampoo because my hair was so dry and I needed more moisture on my hair. For the past 2 weeks I have not applied anything to my hair. I have not applied any hair cream or whatsoever, and due to that I don't have a lot of build up, so I decided to use a moisturizing shampoo and as you can see it really lathers well. So I washed my hair once with this. I didn't wash my hair twice because my hair was not really dirty. So this shampoo straightens and protects the hair. It helps cleanse the hair and also detangle the hair. You'll notice I didn't comb my hair. I didn't detangle my hair before I started washing, and I didn't even bother detangling my hair at the end of the video because my hair was already properly detangled by the time I finished. So this shampoo is definitely a good hair shampoo. So the next product I picked up is this ORS hair mayonnaise. I have been looking for this for ages and when I found this I was so happy and I had to pick up this small one because this was the only one I could find at the moment, and this really helped my hair a lot. By the time I finished washing my hair was super soft and moisturized. It really deep conditioned my hair properly and this is a must-have for anybody who is relaxed and natural. This is meant for both relaxed and natural hair girls, and ORS products are really taking my money and I love them so much. So I sectioned my hair into 3 parts and I applied the hair mayonnaise into my hair and I massaged it into my hair properly, and you can see later on that I went back to apply more at the back of my hair because I felt I didn't apply enough, and I was also rushing when I was washing my hair because I was very cold. So I applied this and I left it on for 30 minutes before I washed it out. 30 minutes later, you can see what my hair looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and wash it out, and you're going to see how smooth my hair looks while I'm washing it. You're going to see how the water runs through my hair properly. I was so happy with the result. So I'm going to keep quiet right now and allow you guys watch me. So if you've watched to this point and you've not subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment, share this video with anyone you know that will love watching this video. So that's it for this video. Keep on watching and watch to the end to see what I have to say later on. So I used my top to dry my hair, and you guys, my hair feels so soft and it smells nice. So this product is the bomb.com. I have been searching for this product for a very long time. Actually, I saw a lot of recommendations on this ORS hair mayonnaise, and I have been searching for this for a very long time, and I'm so happy I found it because this product right here is very nice, and I'm going to get a bigger container of this because I'm sure this won't last for a long time. So this is the conditioning treatment for damaged hair. It is enriched with olive oil, egg, protein, herbs, and germ oil. This is so nice. You can see how my hair feels very soft. I didn't detangle my hair while I was in the shower, but as you can see, my hair is all detangled and nice. So I'm definitely going to use this product over and over again. I am rating it 10 out of 10. So that's it, and I am currently thinking of drying my hair or blow dry my hair because I want to trim my hair, but I don't know what to do yet, but I'm going to think about it, and whatever I decide to do, I'm going to film it for you guys to see. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As you can see, this is my final wash day of 2020. I didn't wash my hair for straight 2 weeks because my hair was flat ironed and I didn't want to mess it up. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for sticking with me to this point. Thank you to all my new subscribers, and thank you to all my old subscribers. Let me know in the comment section if there is any kind of video you want me to make for you guys. And I saw you guys actually liked the last video that I did of how I managed to go my last hair past shoulder length, and that video was not completed. Let me know if you guys want me to make another video and finish up what I didn't finish in that video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.